Are you tired of those generic tech tutorials that just don't click with your learning style? Imagine a world where your tech education is perfectly tailored to you, adapting as fast as the industry itself. Well, you don't have to imagine anymore. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build your very own personalized tech learning ecosystem. One designed for continuous, unstoppable growth in the ever-evolving world of technology. So, let's talk about the learning labyrinth. You know what I mean, that feeling of being trapped in an endless cycle of tutorials? You watch one video, then another, then sign up for a 40-hour course. And at the end, you're left wondering, what did I actually learn? This is the tutorial trap, and it's a dead end. The truth is, the one-size-fits-all approach to learning tech is completely obsolete. In a field that changes daily, we need a system that's as dynamic as the technology itself. There's a huge difference between just consuming content and truly mastering skills. Consuming is passive. Mastering is active. It's about building, breaking, and rebuilding. It's about a deep, practical understanding that you just can't get from watching someone else code. Ready to escape the labyrinth? Let's lay down the blueprint for your personalized tech fortress. The foundation of this entire system is you. First, you need to identify your core learning style. Are you a visual learner who thrives on diagrams and videos? Or maybe you're a kinesthetic learner who needs to get your hands dirty with code right away. At the same time, pinpoint the tech topics that genuinely excite you. Is it AI, web development, cybersecurity? Your passion is the fuel for this engine. Once you know what you want to learn and how you learn best, it's time to curate your resources. Don't just rely on one platform. Build a diverse library of blogs, podcasts, open-source projects you can contribute to, and niche communities on platforms like Discord or Slack. The key is diversity. Then, set realistic, measurable learning objectives. Instead of saying, I want to learn Python, say, I will build a web scraper with Python in the next 30 days. And when you hit that milestone, reward yourself. This isn't just about discipline. It's about making the learning process enjoyable and sustainable. Now that we have the blueprint, let's talk about the tools of the trade. This is where we build your digital command center. First up, your second brain. I'm a huge fan of note-taking apps like Obsidian or Notion. These aren't just for jotting down notes. They're for creating a web of interconnected knowledge. You can link concepts, embed code snippets, and build a personal wiki that grows with you. This turns scattered notes into a powerful, searchable knowledge base. Next, we need to hack our memory. Spaced repetition software like Anki is a game changer for skill reinforcement. You create digital flashcards for key concepts, commands, or syntax. And the app's algorithm shows them to you at the perfect intervals to lock them into your long-term memory. It's like having a personal tutor for your brain. Finally, to keep it all organized, you need to think like a project manager. Use tools like Trello or Jira to track your learning projects. Create boards for to learn. Learning, hand-mastered. This visual progress is incredibly motivating and keeps you focused on your goals. All right, theory is great, but let's see this ecosystem in action. I'm going to show you my personal dashboard right now. As you can see, I've integrated my favorite blogs, YouTube channels, and RSS feeds right here. It's my central hub for new information. Now, let's walk through a specific learning path. Say you want to go from Python basics to building your first simple AI model. Your first step in Trello would be master Python fundamentals. You'd link your curated resources, maybe a specific book, a hands-on course, and a few practice projects. As you complete them, you move the card to Done. The next card could be Learn Num, Py, and Pandas for data manipulation. You'd pull in resources, and maybe create an Anki deck for common functions. As you go, all your notes, code snippets, and insights are being linked together in Obsidian. See how it all connects. But what happens when you stumble upon an amazing new AI library you want to explore? That's the beauty of this system. You just create a new card, add it to your backlog, and prioritize it. Your learning path isn't a rigid line. It's a dynamic, adaptable network. Building this ecosystem is a fantastic start, but the real magic is in its evolution. Your skills and the tech world are constantly changing, so your system needs to change too. Set a reminder every quarter to evaluate your system. Are your resources still relevant? Is your note-taking method working? Be ruthless and refine it. A powerful strategy to accelerate this process is embracing the build in public mentality. Share what you're learning on a blog, on Twitter, or right here on YouTube. This does two things. It forces you to solidify your understanding before you teach it, and it opens you up to invaluable feedback from the community. In the long run, the biggest advantage of this adaptable learning ecosystem isn't just about learning one specific technology. It's about building the meta skill of learning how to learn. This is what future-proofs your career. When the next big thing in tech comes along, you won't be scrambling for tutorials. You'll have a robust, personalized system ready to absorb, master, and apply that new knowledge faster than ever before. And that's how you build a personalized tech learning ecosystem that will serve you for your entire career. It's an investment in yourself that pays the highest dividends. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And consider subscribing for more content on how to level up your tech skills. Let me know in the comments what tools you use for your own learning system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.